and blessings. Welcome to another great video. I'm very excited, and I hope you guys are as well, because this is a great way for you to create a digital business that you can earn income the same day if you take advantage of this opportunity, right? Well, this is a website called PLR Hustle, and I have been connected with this dude. He's a great dude on this company, but he has taught me a lot when it comes down to private label rights. When it comes down to products, it's the same thing that Walmart does when it comes down to their products. They get particular products and they put their brand on top of it and they just sell it. That's what they do. You could do the same thing with your brand. So I always tell everybody, we buy from brands all the time. Why you not going to sit up and create your brand? But anyway, that's a whole nother topic. So as you can see, you get the reseller rights to these digital products. So you can come down here, simple credit ebook, vendors list, Airbnb. You can resell them at these prices, or you can make your own prices. You can shop for the PR stickers, right? Now you can go down here and look at this. You got all categories that you can go to. So I would suggest somebody to pick a niche. Pick a niche, whether it's food and drink, romance, mind, body, and spirit. Pick one. Now, if you let's just say we're going to go right here, mastering digital products. So you click right here. Let's see, it's not clicking. Okay, here we go. All right. Now you see it's going to break it down. It's telling you that it's $17, right? The first 10 people who purchase this ebook will get the $17 deal, right? That's what he's saying on this particular page on his stuff. So let's just say you buy this ebook. It's telling you what the ebook is about. Of course, you want to read the ebook, understand the ebook, so when you're going out here selling it, you'll be able to explain it to people. You don't want to just go get an ebook just because you think it's going to sell and you're going to make a lot of money. Nah, you want to be able to understand the ebook for you can be able to sell it, or as well as rebrand it. You may want to rebrand it, and we're going to get into that a little bit later. But you'll add it to the cart, you'll buy it, or you can come down here. These are other great ebooks as well. And if you have any questions, you can always put your name and your email, send him a message, and he'll look out for you. He's a great guy. So I want to go to where you can go to promote this. As you can see, like on a marketing platform I use, Builderall, I have 11 products on this particular website, right? This week, I had one sale. I have 7 affiliates inside of these products, but I had one sale this week for $560. So for me, the power in that is you can go get an ebook created on Builderall, or you can go to Conversion Pros, you can go to other places to market that particular ebook, that digital ebook. But if you come to Builderall, you'll be able to not only create that product, but you can create an affiliate section to that. And as well as, say if you charge a course, let's just say if it was $100, right? And you wanted to do 50% to your affiliates. That means that when somebody purchased that $100 digital product, ebook, course, or whatever, your affiliate get $50 and you get $50. You see what I'm saying? That's very powerful when it comes down to me. And you can be able to get you some sales. So really just wanting to go into that quick video to really break down how you can do things with private label rights. And as you can see right here, you can pause this at any time and read this over. But it's a great way to not only create digital products, whether it's ebooks, whether it's courses on here or anything like that. It's a great way to not only help people grow within your targeted niche, but also to bring a lot of money to your business, and overall just a great way to save time. And I always like to make or earn money rather when I don't have to be somewhere. If you have to be somewhere to earn some income, for me, it's just taking too much time that I can be with my family. I can be doing things that I love to do. So this is a great way to do this. And if you have any questions or concern, please reach out to me or look up in the descriptions of this video, and let's get connected today.